What is up, dudes and dudettes? This is Lightliger here, and it feels good to be back again making videos at full speed. But I gotta say, there is so many things happening in the crypto space right now. New blockchains, layer 2s, news and legislations, new DeFi applications, wallets, NFT projects, and there's only so many hours in on each day. So I just have to select the best ones and show them to you guys. But I think we got one of those today, which is called Maiar Wallet, that exists on the Elrond blockchain. And this is actually also a multi-coin wallet, so it actually supports Ethereum and the Binance chain as well. And this is something that I've talked about many times on the channel before. I don't like downloading wallets which only support a one coin. I like to have a one multi-coin wallet which is going to be supporting, 30% of my portfolio, give and take. And that's probably going to be the future, interoperability, and wallets which are just going to be supporting multiple coins and tokens. That's how you convert people to use their wallet versus the one that supports only one. And Maiar has quite a lot of proprietary technology, or at least tech that is actually very useful and interesting for your everyday users. And that's something we're going to be exploring here today in this video. And this is a mobile wallet. Elrond does have also a web wallet, which does allow staking. It is called the Elrond web wallet. And you can actually import your seed phrase from Maiar into the web wallet and stake that way. But I'm very sure Maiar will be supporting staking in the future. There is also upcoming features which are not displayed in this video, so there might be an update on Maiar wallet at some point on the channel. Now, Maiar Wallet is available on Google Play Store and Apple App Store, so it is not available on desktop as of right now. Would love to have a version of that, but it seems that modern developers don't really care about desktop users. And some of the cool features that the Maiar Wallet can actually offer you is, well, the onboarding process is pretty simple. You can store your seed phrase in Google Drive. There is also an onboarding process through your phone number. So you can basically recover your address, your wallet, by having your phone. You can also assign other people, trusted members, to have a recovery. So you can assign 3 people who can basically recover the wallet for you in case you lose it. Then they have this hero tag system, which is basically allowing you to choose your own hero tag and basically receive payments to that. Obviously, phone numbers can be used as well. I think this is a very useful way for a lot of people. So I, for example, have reserved at Lightliger, and now is the time you're going to be tipping me for my great service to you, my followers, and new people too. If you have found my content useful, you can send me some Elrond if you desire. Now, and social payments, news and daily, just the progressive security. Security is pretty good. Multiple coins, as I said, Ethereum and Binance chain. I think they're going to be adding more. And staking is going to be coming in future. And obviously, it's a non-custodial wallet. But we're going to be obviously showing you the actual application on my emulator, which we've been using in the past couple of days in some of my mobile application review. So this is the main interface here on Google. So this is the Android emulator. And one of the things when you set up your wallet, you basically back up your seed phrase, obviously. You get to choose a PIN, a 4-number PIN for your wallet. And you can also buy directly eGold on, which is Elrond, by the way, that's the new ticker name, on the wallet. And basically there's a referral link down below which will allow you, if you buy $200 worth of Elrond, you will be getting $10 free. So there's a nice limited time bonus here for extra money. And I think I bought Elrond a couple of days ago, and as I said, this is really one of those contenders to be an Ethereum killer. When Ethereum, if it's going to be collapsing, there's going to be a lot of people, or blockchains, so to speak, which are going to be capitalizing on that market. And some of that market will go to Elrond. Elrond has Very affordable fees, and I'm really excited to see more things built on it. But let's get back to the wallet. So here's the wallet interface. I transferred a small sum of my Elrond from my Trust wallet. I'm probably planning to move all my Elrond here after the actual staking comes available. Right now, you do need 10 Elrond to stake. In the future, there's going to be staking pools, obviously, so people with lower sums of Elrond are able to participate on the ecosystem. You can also import your quick contacts from your phone as well, and basically you can invite them to the platform and everything like that. So that's another thing. So there's 3 assets right now. Here's Elrond. You can buy it directly. There's the deposit address. Obviously, you can do the hero tag, which is Light Liger, for example, which I reserved. And that's a very cool system in my opinion. And how do I actually go back in here? No, this is a pickle. Let me open my Maiar wallet again. Open it up. And I guess you can see the actual pin here. So this is pretty simple, you know, drown dust up. And here we are back into the actual platform. And basically, you can see the opportunity here for the circulating amount of Elrond, the amount that has been staked so far, and the holders, the users. There's a bit of information here, which is good. But going back to the wallet tab, there's also the Binance and Ethereum. I think we have to, okay, here's the X mark. So you can deposit, and this is in BNB, so this is not Binance Smart Chain, which is sadly not good. And you can also buy that directly here, which is good in my opinion. So you have kind of like that option. And there's no KYC on this. So that is another beautiful thing. And there's obviously Ethereum here as well. So 3 coins supported right now. I believe they're probably going to be adding one of their other partners in the future. Bitcoin is probably going to be added here. But I think there's a good chunk of different coins here for starters. And as I said, there's going to be a lot more features coming in. Then there's the contacts tab, which can show you and save you a bunch of different addresses. And there's the quick buy for send, deposit, and buy. Then there is the profile, and there's actually a lot of cool things in the profile. So first of all, there is the referral code. So you get $10 on eGold for the first purchase of $200. So you get $10, I get $10 basically. So when you buy, and then you can like calculate these things, how many friends you're gonna be referring, how much they're gonna be buying, and how many transactions they're gonna be doing, and how much you will be basically getting. So that's kind of interesting, in my opinion. But there's gonna be this sort of earn system in the future, so you can basically do tasks and basically earn eGold. This is going to be a future coming soon thing on the application, so be wary of that. And then there is also like a money tab which shows you which are you, a whale or dolphin, and etc. So there is a couple of features there. Then there's the gearbox icon, recovery phase, analytics, and share Maiar bonus material, which is mostly beginner guide. So there's some extra stuff which we haven't covered here in this video you can look into. There is no night mode as of right now. That's something that I talk about. You can also change your avatar. And the kind of the idea of the hero tag system is that you don't have to necessarily give your phone number. If you don't want some noob or company to know your phone number, you just give them your hero tag, and then you can receive that way. Or you just can give your Elrond account, and this will also work that way. So there is like a form of ease of access here, which is really easy to get into. And that's kind of pretty much my rundown. There's not really much else that we haven't really discovered. Here's the hero tag thing, and then you can choose the visibility for it, the phone visibility, and all the addresses that you have so far on the wallet. And that's much up for the privacy. So I don't really have anything else to add about Maiar. I might be doing a separate video at some point for the Elrond staking, but I don't actually own. The minimum is 10 Elrond, as I said. I only got 5 around right now. Maybe I'm going to be buying the dip if there's going to be one. But the Maiar wallet does seem pretty easy to use, easy to recover, and very noob friendly. And it does have this, you know, direct buying, and I think in the future it will be able to connect with a lot of dApps inside the Elrond ecosystem and etc. And I'm looking forward to actually covering that, and we'll be bringing some updates regarding the Maiar wallet. But for now, I do find it pretty good, pretty smooth experience, and probably the best place to actually hold your Elrond right now unless it's on the web wallet. Thanks for watching. We'll be seeing you guys on the next video. Cheers.